Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check blocked messages on your iPhone. So let's get started. Now, one way to check it is by going into your messages and clicking on that filter. And from there on, you're going to see there's an option that says unknown sender. Now, in this inbox are going to be senders from messages that you have or are considered basically unknown but not exactly blocked. And the reason why that is, I'm going to explain to you, is that blocked numbers are not able to send message, so the iPhone software doesn't actually save them directly on your phone. There actually doesn't go through the iPhone itself, so you won't be able to see block per se, but you'll see unknown sender if someone sends you a message. Now, in order to get messages from a blocked sender, you'll have to unblock them. If you need to do that, what you're going to do is go into your setting and then click on messages, and from there on you're going to see the option to basically see who's currently blocked. So if you clicked on block contact, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that now. Essentially, you're going to see a list of all the blocked contact. In order to remove someone from that, you simply swipe to the left, click on that unblock, and now they'll be able to message you on your phone. But that's how you can go ahead and remove someone from the block list so that you can start getting their messages. But there is no current way to exactly see the block messages on your iPhone because they don't have it. You can only see the spam or the junk one in the unknown sender folder. And I hope this video was helpful. So please do consider the like and subscribe button for more tips, tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.